the divers. Devotees of the particular village and from surrounding ones get together to offer kola or nema to the bhutas once in a year. Vedic religion has become an integral part of the lives of Tulu people. Sri Adi Shankaracharya, who got the Mukambika idol reconsecrated in Kuluru 1200 years back, spread the messages of Advaita Siddhanta in Tulu Nadu also. Sri Madhvacharya, who founded the Dvaita philosophy in the 13th century, was a Tuluva. The Sri Krishna temple and the 8 monasteries established by him in Udupi stand as living symbols of the faith of Tuluvas in the divine. The culmination of the seeding process for Sugi, Enilu and Kolake cultivation is known as Kandakori. At the end of the seeding activity, the fields are watered profusely. The Kandadapuni or dividing ridges of the paddy fields are decorated with clay. A special flag post called Pukkare, decorated with flowers, is stuck in the middle of the paddy field. Nagatambila is conducted at the Nagabana nearby. Deepavali is celebrated on the Shukla Padyami of Kartika Masa, which falls between the month of October and November. Tuluvas believe that King Bali visits their land on that day to see his subjects. In order to commemorate his visit, they plant the branch of Hale tree on the courtyard near the Tulsi Katte and decorate it with a variety of flowers like Gondepu, Kepula and Padepu. Members of the family worship the king by sprinkling akshate on him and chanting Baliyendra Baliyendra Hariyo Hari. The cows are bathed, decorated with turmeric, kumkum and fed with dosai and bananas. On the same night, the departed souls are propitiated through a rite called Bajilu Padune, in which beaten rice and coconut are offered to them. Kaveri is a holy river to the Tuluvas also. On the Tirthodpava day at Talakaveri, Kaveri Sankranti is observed in Tulu Nadu. Apart from these, Tuluvas observe festivals like Illu Jinjavane, which literally means filling the house. It is a ceremony to adorn the house with twigs of auspicious trees and stalks of paddy just before the new harvest season or Sugi. Budvar, which means the new paddy, is the feast celebrated to mark the beginning of the harvest season, in which rice from the newly harvested paddy is used to cook the food. In the month of Punni, April, people of Tulu Nadu celebrate Kedasa as a ritual for the purification of Bhudevi or Mother Earth after her menses and for obtaining her full grace on the farming community. On the day of the solar new year, a variety of vegetables and fruits like cashew, jackfruit, mango, banana, pumpkin and coconut are arranged on a platform in the Chavari or outer hall. A mirror along with turmeric powder and kumkum is kept in the center. A wick lamp called Kaladipa burns nearby. This is the Bisu Kani of Tulu Nadu. After getting up in the morning, people take oil bath, wear new clothes and have a view of Bisu Kani. The younger ones pay respect to the elders. Then they visit the temple. The tradition of the tenants presenting artifacts made by them to the landlords on this occasion is now disappearing from Tulu Nadu. Folk dances have been performed in Tulu Nadu since a very long time to ward off the ill effects of the particular seasons and the afflictions of evil spirits. Aati Kalenja dance is performed by the Nalki community in the Tulu month of Aati or June-July, wearing mysterious costumes and makeup. The intent is to stamp down evil forces and entertain the people who are depressed by the dark rainy season. Kalenja is a combination of two words, kale and anjevu. Kale means to remove, anjevu is a man or a person. In the region where Tulu and Malayalam cultures intermingle, dances of Beda and Marda are also performed to ward off the evil effects of the rainy season.
ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಕೆಳವರ್ಗದ ಜನ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ಕಟ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ದುಃಖ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಶೋಷಣೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಪ ಇರಬಹುದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇರಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜನಪದ ಕುಣಿತಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಟಿ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಕುಣಿತ ಕಳೆಂಜ ಅಂತ. ಕಳೆ ಅಂಜುವು ಎಂಬ ಎರಡು ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಕೂಡಿ ಅದು ಕಳೆಂಜ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸುವಂಥ, ಅಂಜುವು ಅಂದರೆ ಗಂಡಸು ಅಂತ, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಕಳೆಯುವಂಥ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಜನರು ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ವಿಕೋಪದಿಂದ ಭಯಭೀತರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದುಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹಸಿವಿನಿಂದ ಕಂಗಾಲಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಳೆಯ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಕೀಟಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ರೋಗ ರುಜಿನಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತವೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು ಜನರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಯದ ಭಾವನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಭಯದ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಭಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಕುಣಿತವೇ ಆಟಿ ಕಳೆಂಜ ಕುಣಿತ. ಇನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಆಶಯವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಂಕಾಳಿ ಕುಣಿತವನ್ನು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಲ್ಕಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಗಿಲು ಕುಣಿತ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುತ್ತೂರು ಸುಳ್ಯದ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಂಗೋಲು ಅಂತ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕುಣಿತ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಟಿ ಕಳೆಂಜ, ಸೋಣದ ಜೋಗಿ, ಮಾಂಕಾಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಗಿಲು, ಕರಂಗೋಲು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ದುಷ್ಟಶಕ್ತಿಗಳ ನಿವಾರಣೆಗಾಗಿ.
Ethnic or rural medicinal practices have remained an integral part of the lives of Tuluvars since time immemorial. Starting from the bites of the cobras and other venomous snakes to the dreaded infections like the herpes, many incurable maladies have been cured by these native doctors through herbs and Tulu mantras.
ಬಲ ಕೆಂಪು ಪೊಡುಗೆಂದಾಲಿ ಅನು ಬಾಪೋಣ ಬಗದಾಲಿ ಅನು ಏನು ಮಲ್ಪಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಂತ್ರ ಎನ್ನ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರು ಮಲ್ಪಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಂತ್ರ ಸೂರಿ.
The secular heritage of India has also been shared by Tulu Nadu since so many centuries. The diversity of religious faiths and the vibrant quality of the multifaceted cultures found here go hand in hand in reflecting the inner vitality of the people. The masjids and dargahs frequented by the followers of Islam, the churches and cathedrals that symbolize the tradition of Christian faith, the temples and bhutasthanas that are part of the Hindu way of life, the basadis, the bidus and the Bahubali idols belonging to the Jain tradition, all of them coexist, lending their voices to the melody of religious harmony in Tulu Nadu.